Yes, my name is Nate Thomas. I'm from Snow College. We're a community college in Utah, which is kind of on the west half of the United States. It's a very beautiful area. I actually just graduated from Snow this last semester with my Bachelor's of Music. I'm actually a saxophonist, but I love working with international students, and this has kind of been my newfound passion. So something unique about Snow College is that we're actually a community college. Community college is a very unique thing to the United States, where students can do 2 years at a community college and then transfer and finish their bachelor's degree at another institution. Snow College was ranked #1 in the US for student success, and students really learn how to study in the US, how to work as a team, because our teachers at Snow College are very dedicated to our school. Our teachers aren't dedicated to research or anything outside of the student's success. So we really do want students to be successful in their education as well as their lives afterwards. Yes, actually. So Snow College right now doesn't have a lot of students from Indonesia or Vietnam or Southeast Asia. So right now we're trying to open up the market. So our goal here at the NET24 event is kind of to find some new connections so that we can get more students from Indonesia, from Southeast Asia, because we really know that the students here are hardworking, that they have a good work ethic, so we want those students to represent their country at Snow College. We want them to come see what the US education system is like and kind of see how beautiful Snow College can be. I really like the organization. It's been very clear and everyone's been super friendly. I actually was able to participate in a panel today where we talked about different countries and the education systems in them, and I got to learn a lot about the different countries and the different people in them and how students from Indonesia could then benefit from that. So I've really liked this event. It's been very well organized and everyone's been extremely helpful.